27,000 square meters of intelligent manufacturing factory, 283 sets of fully automated equipment, annual production of 7.6 million intelligent terminals, accumulated overseas sales of 30 million products. Introducing the first fully automated production line in the industry, which is compatible with multiple types of data loggers. The line can be changed in just one click. The fully automated, flexible, and no labor required line increased 500% production efficiency per line. The single automation line achieves up to 3 million units of annual production capability. Becoming a global leader in the cold chain IoT industry.